Hello dear students, today we will learn the 6th chapter of our EVS syllabus, Social Studies syllabus. The 6th chapter is our school. In my mobile you can see one good picture of school. This is a red color building. There is one garden and doors and windows. This is the outside picture of a school. I hope you can remember about your school also. Though you are not going to school for so many days, but till then the school's building, rooms, then other things, garden, playground, these all things are in your mind. Sometimes I think you dream about these things also, and especially your classmates who are your best friends. So let us read this chapter. I can show you the picture of the school, and you can see this picture also. And you can see this picture also. Here is the teacher, you can see, and these are the students and the teacher. There is a blackboard, there is some notice board, some projects are there. You can see the children are raising their hands for giving answers. When teacher is asking any question, they are just jumping and shouting also and raising their hands for giving the answer. I think this is a very common picture. In your class also, I think this kind of things happen. So we have an idea about the school. Now the topic is our school. You know, the school is an educational institution where we get the learning environment, where we learn something. Every day we gather knowledge under the guidance of our teachers, and we sometimes try to implement that knowledge in our day-to-day classwork also. So school is that holy place where we learn something. Now come to the book. When you will read your book, you will see there are many pictures. Here, what is the picture? Can you tell me? Yes, I think you have understood. This is the prayer time. All the students, all the children, you see, they are folding their hands and they are singing something. That means the prayer. Here you see two students, they are talking with each other, and what is in their bag? That is the school bag. They are in school uniform. You can see. Here you see there is the school building, and near the school building, I think this is the playtime. So students are playing with ball. Two students are talking here, and other students are going here and there around the ground. You can see this is our national flag. So in the school ground there must be a place for this national flag. Okay, now you see. So what are the basic things? Basic things in our school building, there are so many things. First of all, there is classroom, where every day we go and sit and talk with each other and talk with our teacher also. When teacher teaches us, that time we listen his or her valuable words, we understand the text, and after that we can consult with our friends and write the classwork. We always follow the blackboard when teacher is writing something here, maybe question, answer and other notes. Now assembly hall means the prayer hall. In our school, Sharada Vidya Mandir, there is also one prayer hall at the top floor. I think you are the students of class 1. You have never gone there for prayer, but for any other function or celebration time, you have gone there. That is our prayer hall or assembly hall. There we gather or assemble for doing the prayer. And sometimes other observation and celebrations are also taking place there. Now, in our school there is principal room. You all know principal sir is the head of the institution. He sits in a particular room, that is his office only, and he works a lot of things and maintain all the discipline and administration, total administration from that room only. Okay, that is principal room. Beside principal room, there is school's office. In office, the several officials' works are going on. Next, library. In our school, there is one good library also. In library, there are many books are there. You can read the books anytime you wish. Next, our teachers' common room. We know all the teachers after the break or after a certain time, they gather in this teachers' common room. Whenever we want to meet or our parents want to meet with any teacher, we can call the teacher by following some rules. We can call our attendance, they can call the teacher, and then we can talk with the teacher. Or any time, if you get hurt any time, can you remember? You just call the teacher and teacher helps you. Okay. Now, sick room. In our school, there is one sick room also. In the sick room, students who feel sick suddenly, suppose fever or anything that is serious or leg broken or anything, that time they are sitting there, and if it is examination time, they are sitting there and giving their exams. So that is mainly for the sick people. There is also sick room in our school. Now we have to know what to do in the school. We are going to read and write. We are going to learn something in the school. Learn the good habits and good manners. We should follow our teachers and our senior brothers and sisters. We can learn many things from them. If we follow our teacher properly, then we can learn many good manners, good habits, and how to talk with other people, how to wish, and especially as it is an English medium school, you should follow the words, how the teacher is speaking in English language. Maybe sometime you don't know how to speak because we are all from Bengali family. But if we follow our teachers, then we can at first imitate them, and when we have enough knowledge, we can speak very easily and spontaneously and very fluently in English language. Now, the teacher helps us in learning various subjects. In class 1, you have total 4 subjects: mathematics, English, Bengali or Hindi, and social studies. So in these 4 written subjects, you have 4 books, and you have one grammar book, and in addition with art book and so many things. And then how to use, how to know, how to read, how to write, what is the answer of any question. So that all the things is the guidance is supplied by the teacher. So this is the role of the teacher, and teacher is part of the school, and students who are the most valuable part of the school. Means teacher is for students, and without the students, teacher also has no value, and without the teacher, students also has no value. So teacher and students, they have a bonding, they have a relation. So try to maintain that. And we love our school very much. Everybody love their school very much. You are the little kids, you also love your school very much. Whenever you go to school, you just feel very refreshed, and you become very happy when you meet your best friends in your class. So this is a lesson for today. So remember our school. What are the outside view of the school building? I show you. It depends. It varies from school to school. Now some special sections I told you. Suppose assembly hall, principal room, office room, teachers common room, sick room, library. These are the main things that you have to remember. So here in your book, another section is written, that is school's canteen, where food is provided. But in our school, there is no specific canteen for students. But till then, there is one small kitchen where sometime food are supplied from there. Okay. So students, my request is you just go through this chapter and you just gain the habit of reading books. If you have no habit of reading books, just you gain the habit and improve your reading and writing style. So this is the chapter for today. So this much only. Okay. Thank you.